Hello Sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. We are still in Australia in Sydney, and as you guys know that we get a lot of free time during the day. Today my fellow love technician Eugene, Khoza and I decided that we're going to explore Sydney. So we are going on a Sydney Harbour cruise just to see Sydney and learn about the history of this beautiful city. And it was such an interesting cruise. I would encourage anyone who goes to Sydney to take the cruise. It's very, very interesting. And we got to learn a lot about the history of this particular city, as well as the country of Australia. And it's really, really interesting. And I would encourage you guys to take this cruise when you come to Australia and Sydney. You're gonna find it's not only just enjoyable, the views are nice, it's a beautiful tour, but because it comes with a guide who tells you the history of the buildings and the history of the city and the country, I think you would benefit a lot from doing this cruise. And the harbour is just beautiful. We really, really enjoyed it. And there was so much that we learned. Some of it very shocking, but it's been very interesting. And as comedians, it's always nice to learn more about the country or the city that you are in, because then we get to create more jokes based on that. And it was nice just to see different people. We met people from like all different parts of the world. Yeah. Very, very interesting. I wish I could have put the video with the sound, but there was just so much noise in the cruise, and the sound was very, very bad. So unfortunately, I am sorry I couldn't do that. I couldn't put the video with its original sound because it was just horrible. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I do wish that one day you get to visit this beautiful city. And if you have been to Sydney, Australia, please tell me what you enjoyed about the city. And I look forward to hearing your comments.
This brings us also to the end of our cruise and our harbour story. I hope you've enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.
Oh, that was nice. That was so good.
It was worth it.
So it's worth the money and you'd be sleeping. You'd be sleeping. You wouldn't know about Blue.
Last time to go watch the minutes. We're going to love you.
Huh?
We're going to go watch before the show.
Oh, what time is it?
No, we're going to watch it.
Oh, on Netflix.
We're going to get you in the mood and you'll see how funny.
Yeah, how funny is.
Then what we're doing is not sleeping.
I love funny. Yeah. But I just get annoyed when I have to waste my time watching unfunny funny.
Join the club.
That was so nice.
Like how you agreed, you're like, yeah.
We are together. You gotta do the Wakanda sign when you are here. They gotta know we've got their back.
Got you.
Got you. Not just when you are far from home, when you are in Australia.
He acknowledged it. He was like, yeah. It was so worth it. And even this another 2 hours felt like it was forever.
This local one is a waste.
Okay.
I wanna see you at Tembisa train station doing the same.
I'm trying.
Buying the ticket.
Airport crystal.
Sigibela namadoda amasuthu. So, where's ours? No, but which platform? Okay, C3. And everything is named ngamagama aseLondon. Back at the train station, going back to the hotel. Get ready to work. We are the platform. We are the passengers on platform 1. There's our train. Wasala. Let's see 𝙏𝙘𝙧. I wouldn't want to live there. Well, it's good if you take the train every day. You've got to live there. Too close to the train station. We are back. We are back. You happy? Are you going back home or are you staying here? Why? But you haven't shopped in first. But if you buy 5 for 120, why you buy 120?
Why is this on video?
Because I want